6 Weather is brought to you by Aztec Chevrolet in Beeville. Visit AztecAutoplex.com. Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, welcome back. Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast. Our live sky cam looking west shows hazy skies, and that cirrus deck there means no rainfall. That means the atmosphere is very stable. Temperatures right now are still on the hot side, although we've cooled off into the 80s near the coast. 86 in Port Aransas, 89 here, but it's still 100 degrees inland at George West, Fremont, Falfurrias, and Hebbronville. And our heat index is absolutely dangerous at 106. 106 also in Alice, some of the higher readings. We had 114 at 2 o'clock this afternoon right here in Corpus Christi, one of the higher heat index values we've had in several years. So again, you really need to exercise all the necessary precautions with this heat, especially if you're working outside. You really want to keep it short, take frequent breaks, and drink plenty of water. 87 at 7 o'clock tonight, down to 80 at midnight. With the decreasing winds, we will drop into the mid-70s after being in the low 70s this morning. Our weather pattern shows no rainfall, although we do have some tropical moisture trying to come into the ridge of high pressure. Most of it is contained near this trough coming off the Louisiana Delta. And this frontal system that marched all the way through the Great Lakes, all the way to the southeastern Atlantic seaboard, and brought some remarkable weather to that part of the country. But it's going that way because of the ridge of high pressure blocking anything from coming our way, both in the Gulf and up to the north. So that high is keeping us hot and dry. But where the high has backed off, temperatures are nice. It's 81 in Minneapolis, 77 in Cleveland, and only 86 in Raleigh, Durham, North Carolina. But 105 up at DFW right now and 106 in Las Vegas. That's pretty normal in those locations with high pressure nearby. Hazy, hot, and humid is our weather pattern for tomorrow and Friday, with rain staying well to our east off Louisiana. As the high builds to the east for the weekend, we'll get even hotter and the rain stays away. Here's the upper level high pressure system that strengthens over the weekend. That's why our temperatures are going to get hotter. By the time we get to early next week, though, low pressure forms here, and that will bring an opportunity for rain here towards the end of next week. We might start to see a little bit of shower activity near the coast. Might is the key word there, because we've got to move that high, and that's a 500-pound gorilla in the room. All right, it's breezy right now. The winds lighten up in the morning, but good news for the sailors in the area and the championship races tomorrow. It still looks on the breezy side. That continues into Friday. Again, not real strong, but strong enough. Hot, mid-90s tomorrow. Dangerous heat index values. Southeast winds 15 to 20 and gusty. Highs around the region. Upper 80s along the coast to low 100s inland. Heat index values tomorrow reach 114 here, 115 in Kingsville. That is absolutely dangerous. And your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast stays in the mid-90s all the way through Wednesday of next week with no rainfall. So we're going to dry out just as fast as we got wet back in late June and early July.
Sure sounds like it.
Yes.